Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about CLI and CloudShell. Cloud command line interface is a command line interface is a tool that is used to using commands we can make changes in our AWS account like creating EC2 instance, S3 bucket, and creating EBS volume, everything. What are all the things we do in the console? All the things we can make in the make using the command line interface. So, what's the difference is the for the CLI we need a download. It is required a download, and the Cloud Shell it is already predefined, and this it is a browser-based command line tool provided by cloud providers, and it don't need any downloads. It is directly accessible from the cloud provider. Yes, you can see here Cloud Shell. We can directly access the Cloud Shell, and it is a pre-configured environment. It have all the pre-installed tools, configurations, and all resources, all the things we it is already having. And in the command line, we have all the control over our local environment. We can able to customize with our predefined preferred tools and configurations. Now I'm going to show how to download the CLI. If we go to AWS command line interface, we can go to install and update session. So here we have the download link. I already downloaded the AWS CLI. If you want to download, you can click and download the AWS CLI. And the other option, we copy paste this commands in the PowerShell. We can able to download the CLI. And how to create a access key. If we go to this security credentials, I already have the secret key, sorry, access key. So I delete and create a new one. Deactivate. So it's a one click create access key, and we have to download the CSV file of our access key, and it is showing it is not a best practice. We have to keep it very confidential, and keeping this file in a very protective manner. So I click, I understand creating a root access key is not a best practice, but I still want to create one. So if I click create access key, it is created, and it's showing some never store your access key in a plain text in a code repository or in code. Disable or delete access key when no longer needed, and enable least privilege permissions, and rotate access key regularly. And it's showing we have to change it, and if we are not using this access key, we have to delete it, and make the never store your access key in a plain text. And it's showing the showing some uh, rules and regulations, and we have to make it very confidential. If I download this CSV file, my CLI is uh, ready to configure. I'm going to type AWS configure. So it is, sorry. AWS configure. I spelling mistake. I now yes, I have done some spelling mistakes. So now we can see it is asking some access key ID. So I copy this access key and paste it here. So it is asking for the secret key. I copy this secret key and paste it here. So now my CLI is asking the default region. I give US East 1 and output format none. Now it is ready to create any instances or S3 buckets. Now I'm going to show the creating S3 bucket. To create a S3 bucket, we have a command AWS S3. MB means make bucket S3, and this is a bucket name. Outcover is my outcover bucket is my bucket name. If I click enter, my bucket is created. Yes, I'm going to show now S3. I have outcover bucket and I don't have any objects here now. So it was created now January 21st, 2025, and just now it was created. And I'm going to upload a object to the bucket. For that, we need a AWS S3. CP means copy. Text.txt S3. Outcover bucket is my bucket name. Now I click enter. I uploaded my text file here. So you can see. Before that, we don't see any. So now we can see the text file here. Now I'm going to list my bucket content. For that, we have to give AWS S3 list. LS means list in the S3 bucket of my bucket name outcover bucket. So this command is used to show the objects in this particular outcover bucket. If I click enter, it shows the txt.file and yes, now it's showing with for what time it is created and MB 47 MB and the text file name. Now we can able to download this text file. We are going to see the command for download AWS S3 CP. Yes, CP means copy S3. Outcover is my bucket name, outcover bucket. From outcover bucket, I need to download the txt text.txt file where I need to store this directory uh, for the file to download. I give downloads. So I'm going to show in the downloads we don't have any text file now. If I enter this command, um, this text file will download to my local machine. Outcover bucket is bucket name, and uh, which object we want to delete is text.txt. So if I click enter, it will remove the text.txt file from the outcover bucket. So if I refresh, now the text file is deleted. We have only the empty bucket. Now we are going to delete the bucket. AWS S3 remove bucket. From S3 remove outcover bucket from S3. We are giving the command AWS S3 remove from directory, and I click enter. My bucket is now deleted. Remove bucket, or B means remove bucket, or M means remove. So if I refresh, my bucket is also deleted now. So I don't have any bucket in the S3 of Northern Virginia region. So like this, we create a bucket and store and creating instance and creating snapshots and everything we can do in the command line and CloudShell. So we can also try in the AWS documentations, CLI commands, AWS. So if we go to command reference, we have the command references. If we go to EC2 means, click EC2 means we have links to know what are all the if we need to create a image, if we need a snapshot, copy snapshot means it's showing the commands. It's showing the commands. What are all the commands we need to give? It's showing the options. So like this, we can try the commands in the CLI. Thank you.